Just like this. Auntie, may I eat in the table, in this table? Oh, okay. Alhamdulillah. Tempura is a fish. Yes, tempura. 5 pesos only. Now, I ordered this because for the first of my what I say, my favorite my favorite restaurant, but Carinderia is auntie in her simple dishes. Yeah. May goreng and fried rice. Perfect combination. Fried rice and may goreng. What I always say, I always visit this area. I pay, I ask, same food I want. Fried rice and may goreng. Maybe after that we finish this food. It's the signal. The sound. You hear the sound? It's the City Hall. City Hall there. Oh, I point the City Hall. The City Hall. The City Hall. Time for break time or non-break. Sometimes in 5 o'clock p.m. But I've already finished my noon break. One of my noon break is may goreng and the fried rice. May goreng the fried rice. So cheap, but I forgot to pay. I forgot to pay. I almost forgot to pay. Auntie, 20 pesos, auntie? 20? For only 20 pesos. This auntie. Auntie, 50 pesos. Thank you, auntie. Now, that's what we call the jeepney sound, or the horn of the jeepney. That jeepney. Yeah. That track. You see the track. For this video, now I'm going to take my break. This video is all about the Sambagora and also the food in this food stock. Goodbye. You are goodbye. I like you. For now,
Kusing ko. Pamit-pit ko no?
later. For now, what I say, it's all about the Friday sermon, the Friday mass, and the Friday prayer in Zambagora. If you want to visit Zambagora, I already pinpoint, go to this area for the food stop and for the in Plaza Persing. This the Plaza Persing. The Plaza Persing. The Plaza Persing. The Plaza Persing, and that is the school, Universidad de Zamboanga. School Universidad de Zamboanga. And I already pinpoint where the Zambagora. If you want to visit Zambagora, if you are a Muslim, yes.
Yes. Gutom na gutom. Wala na pambili pagkain. Wala na kakain.
You want to eat?
Oh, one sweet. Yung ayan. Yulik.
Many want to eat, but I want to eat first. My stomach, my stomach want to eat. My stomach is different. My stomach is different. No money.
Give me money to buy you.
Money always go there. We go there to have money in this area to have money, but commonly say without money, but what people say we have money. When you say you don't have money, I don't have money, but my money for my stomach, only my budget. I'm only one of a starting point. Your friend's stomach maybe can handle his stomach. His tummy.
Oh, tummy.
Okay, I know you are a good boy, you're a concerned man. You become a good man, a well man someday. But first, I dropped my money. Thank you. What I say, money go there, money here, there. I drop my money and now my money come back to me. Oh yeah.
Oh, to my distance, to me. My money.
You money?
Oh, yung money.
Yes, the money always go.
Oh.
But many, this a good man someday.
Ay, i-follow ko si ano pangalan ni sir?
Song of Innocent. YouTube. Song of Innocent, YouTube. You may also search Jamal Elhano Daham. Yeah. Now, this a end of my vlog. This young man.
Boy, oh yang
You stay here. There. Yeah. Kamusta?
Tikon yun.
Tikon. One of my favorite food stock. There. Kanti. For now, I will end this video. Thank you, young boy. Thank you, young boy. Thank you, auntie. Maybe it's just the end, but we will continue my vlog. Piano song, and then I will compose, and then I will create a video, and then I vlog. Oh yeah. Thank you. For my fans, just follow my YouTube channel, Song of Innocent, or in Facebook, just search my name, Jamal Elhano Dagam.
Jamal Dagam.
Oh yeah. Okay. Bye bye.